Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sunset Motel Moriarty. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This original Route 66 motel in Moriarty has been owned and operated by the same family since 1958. Its rooms feature vintage decor and furniture and have free Wi-Fi. For guest safety, the property is offering curbside check-in. Additional cleaning procedures have been implemented at the property. Guest rooms at the Sunset Motel Moriarty also have cable TV. They are equipped with a microwave and a refrigerator and include a seating area and a work desk. A continental breakfast is served every morning at the Moriarty Sunset Motel. There is a barbecue for guests to use on the hotel's patio. Pets are welcome subject to room availability. Please call the front desk to check availability. The Moriarty Airport is a 7 minutes drive and the Moriarty Civic Center only 3 minutes. Wildlife West Zoo is 11 miles from Sunset Motel Moriarty and the Tinkertown Museum is 21 miles away. Lewis Antique Toy and Auto Museum and the Southwest Soaring Museum are 2,650 feet from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.